Closures and cancellations ramp up in southern Manitoba as the blizzard wages on, including interruptions to our healthcare system. Most elective and non-urgent surgeries have been canceled on Wednesday and Thursday, and the blizzard is affecting emergency services out on the road.
Sometimes we just physically can't get there, and it's truly disheartening and frustrating.
This is what driving conditions looked like for ambulances outside of the city this afternoon, and in city limits it wasn't much better, leaving some ambulances completely stuck. The Paramedic Association of Manitoba says at times like these it's important that Manitobans only call an ambulance in an actual emergency.
An ambulance at the bottom of the ditch is not going to help anyone, and I think paramedics get quite frustrated when that instance occurs for something that maybe could have waited.
When resources are spread so thin and ambulances are forced to drive slow, every call adds response time. The Paramedic Association says it's helpful when civilians assess the situation before immediately calling an ambulance, police, and fire to assist.
Attempt to try and just confirm that there is in fact a patient and that patient actually requires the services of emergency services providers.
Along with EMS struggles, hospitals are canceling some surgical procedures. According to a statement from Shared Health, the postponements are part of efforts to support staffing levels for urgent and emergent patient care needs and reduce the amount of unnecessary patient travel on Manitoba roads during the storm. Doctors near Morden, Manitoba got help heading to work this morning from Morden's fire department. A grader from the municipality plowed the highway while healthcare workers followed fire trucks to work. But as snow continues to fall, it's anticipated more help will be needed as more highways close.
Snow is going to get to the point where healthcare workers aren't going to be able to rendezvous at our recreational center. So we are working on plans right now for our members to take four-wheel drive vehicles, and we will start picking up healthcare workers at their home if that is the case. So the healthcare workers do a lot for us as a community and even for us personally on the fire department. And this is just our way of giving back to them for once. They do a lot for us, and it's now our turn to pay it back to them and make sure that they're able to do what they need to do and try and keep their day as smooth as possible.
Numerous roadways surrounding Winnipeg have closed, including the Perimeter Highway. The public is advised to stay off the roads if possible and wait out the storm at home. In Winnipeg, Mike Albanese, City News.